Hello everyone, welcome back to English Edu Claz. I'm Professor Venkataramu here, and today we are going to learn something very important, that's giving directions and instructions. We use directions and instructions all the time in our daily life. Imagine you are helping someone find a place, or you are telling a friend how to cook a dish. If your instructions are clear, they will understand easily. If not, they might get confused. So, how do we give clear instructions or directions? Let us break it down into simple steps. The first step, start with a friendly greeting. Before you give instructions, it's always nice to grab the listener's attention. You can say, "Okay, students, all right, class." This makes your instructions sound friendly and engaging. Let's move on to step 2. Give a clear introduction. Next, tell the listener what they are going to learn. Keep it simple. For example, today we will learn how to give clear instructions, just like teaching someone how to make a kite. This way, the listener knows exactly what we expect. Step 3. Break it into steps. When you give clear instructions, always divide them into small steps. Each step should tell the listener one clear action. For example, first take two sticks and tie them together. Then cover them with paper. This makes it so easy to follow. Let us move on to step 4. Use simple and direct language. Now, here is something important. Use simple words. Avoid long or complicated sentences. Instead of saying, subsequently attach the string to the kite, just say, then tie the string to the kite. Short and clear sentences help people understand quickly. Let us move on to the step 5. Use action verbs or imperatives. When giving instructions, always first start with action words or verbs like grab, tie, cut, attach, wrap, etc. For example, cut the paper, not you should cut the paper. This makes your instructions direct and easy to follow. Step 6. Use sequencing words. To make instructions follow smoothly, use words like first, next, then finally. For example, first draw a square, next cut it out, then fold it in half. Finally, stick it together. These words help the listener follow the order. Step 7. Add specific details. Sometimes, small details make a big difference. Instead of saying, take a long stick, say, take a 24-inch stick. Instead of saying, cut a small piece, say, cut a piece about 5 centimeters wide. Details avoid confusion and make instructions more precise. Let's move on to step 8. Useful words for giving directions. Now, when you give directions to a place, we use certain words. We use prepositions like at, near, beside, between, behind, in front of. We use action commands like go straight, turn left, turn right, take a U-turn. We use road features like flyover, underpass, signal, circle, main road. Let's look at some examples. Go straight for 500 meters, then turn right at the marketplace. This park is beside the school. Use the right words. Using the right words makes directions clear and easy to follow. Let us move on to step 9. Use landmarks for directions. Landmarks help people know they are on the right path. They include buildings and public places. They may be like malls, hospital, college, temple, bus stop, etc. Natural features like park, lake, river, hill, etc. Let's look at an example. The restaurant is next to the cinema hall, opposite the petrol station. Landmarks make directions more reliable. Let us come to the important and last step. End with a positive note. Finally, always end your instructions in a positive way. For example, now you are ready to fly your kite. Have fun. This makes the instructions friendly and encouraging. Friends, let us recap the session. Let's quickly go over what we learned today. The first thing we learned is start with a friendly greeting. Give a clear introduction. Break instructions into small steps. Use simple language. Begin steps with action words. Use sequencing words to stay organized. Add details when needed. Use helpful words and landmarks for giving directions. End with a positive note. I hope by following these steps, you can give clear and effective instructions anytime. Friends, if you like this lesson, helpful, like, share, and subscribe to English Edu Class for more easy English lessons. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson. Happy learning.